Let me show you one of the simplest and most overlooked digital marketing strategies for professionals over 40. Because if you're stuck in a job you've outgrown, feeling like digital is racing ahead without you, you're not alone. And this might just be the wake-up call you didn't know you needed. Now here's the truth. While most people are busy chasing TikTok trends, gaming the Instagram algorithm, or burning out on YouTube, there's one strategy that's been quietly changing lives for decades. It's not flashy, it's not trendy, but it works. It's called email marketing. And no, not the spammy kind, not salesy newsletters stuffed with buzzwords. I'm talking about real connection through written words. Here's where this gets personal. There's a guy named Michael. He was 47, working in sales, 2 decades of experience, hardworking, loyal, underpaid, overlooked. His company was going digital, but he had no idea what that meant for him. Suddenly, the skills he'd built over 20 years felt outdated. He tried to adapt, watched tutorials, signed up for webinars, even bought a few online courses, but nothing clicked. Why? Because every strategy he saw was built for people half his age. Everything was build a funnel, go viral, create a personal brand, post every day, be everywhere. That's exhausting, especially when you've got a family, responsibilities, and limited time. But here's the breakthrough. One day, Michael stopped trying to be everywhere. He focused on being useful. He launched a simple email newsletter. Nothing fancy, no logos, no automation, just pure value. Once a week, written from the heart, based on what he knew best, solving real-world sales problems. His first email had 12 subscribers. His wife, his brother, a couple of old co-workers. But he kept going, week after week, insight after insight. No selling, just helping. By month 2, he had 800 subscribers. By month 4, 2,300. At 6 months, he had over 5,000 engaged readers. But that wasn't even the best part. People started reaching out to him, asking for advice. Then came consulting offers, guest speaking gigs, freelance projects. His income? It doubled. And the kicker? He never left his full-time job. The newsletter became his digital leverage, his way of building a presence without dancing on camera or mastering 17 platforms. Now, you might be thinking, okay, that's cool, but why did it work? Let me break it down. First, people over 40 trust email. They check it daily. They take it seriously. They actually read it. Unlike social media, which scrolls by in seconds, email sits in their inbox, waiting. It's personal. It feels direct. And when done right, it builds credibility faster than any tweet ever could. Second, Michael had something younger marketers didn't: wisdom. He didn't try to be flashy. He didn't try to sound young. He wrote like a pro. And pros respect pros. The result? He attracted high-quality clients, people who valued experience, people who paid on time, people who referred him to others. And all of that started with one small shift. He stopped trying to be everywhere and chose to own one lane. That's what I want you to take away. You don't need to learn every tool. You don't need to chase every trend. You need to choose one skill and commit to it. And if that skill is email marketing, you're setting yourself up with one of the highest ROI strategies in the digital world. Now, I know what some people say. Email is dead. Social media is where it's at. No one reads emails anymore. Those people, they're wrong. In fact, email marketing still outperforms social media by over 400% when it comes to return on investment. That's not hype. That's hard data. And here's the thing. This strategy isn't just for Michael. I've seen dozens of people over 40 with zero digital background use this exact approach. There's Lisa, 51, a former teacher who now sends weekly parenting tips to a 10,000 subscriber list. She earns $4,000 a month through paid partnerships. There's Raj, 58, who worked in IT. He sends technical how-to guides to business owners. Now he gets paid to train staff on Zoom, all because of his email credibility. Or Naomi, 46, who used to manage a retail store. She writes about leadership and team dynamics. 2 years in, she's got her own coaching business. All built through email, and they all started where you might be right now, frustrated, skeptical, a little bit lost. But they had one thing in common. They didn't try to be cool. They didn't try to go viral. They used their experience and delivered value. That's the real currency in the digital world. Value, clarity, consistency. So let me ask you directly, are you sitting on 20 plus years of experience, but still doubting whether you can compete in the digital space? Are you scrolling past job listings that say digital required and thinking, if someone just showed me how, I could do that? That's not your imagination. That's your potential speaking up. You already have what it takes. You just need a system that speaks your language. That's why I built Digital Marketing Breakthrough 40 Plus. Not for 20-year-old influencers, not for advanced marketers, but for people like you. People who are ready to finally understand how digital works without the noise. People who want to learn in plain English with no tech confusion. People who are done waiting and ready to build something real. Inside the course, you'll learn exactly how to start your first email list with the right audience, craft emails that get opened, read, and replied to offer your skills without feeling salesy. Build trust that turns into income. Use your own life experience as your number one marketing asset. And you don't need to be a writer. You don't need a big list. You just need a starting point. So, here's yours. There's a free resource linked below this video. It shows you how to choose the right digital strategy based on who you are, not who the algorithm wants you to be. Because here's the truth. You're not too old. You're not too late. You're just one strategy away. That strategy? It's not about complexity. It's about clarity. It's about confidence. And it starts with choosing one thing and going all in, just like Michael did. You've been underestimating your edge for too long. It's time to put it to work. You don't need 10,000 followers. You don't need a personal brand. You don't need to be everywhere. You need a plan. And that plan starts today. Click the link. Download the free guide. See what happens when you bet on your experience instead of your fear. Because the digital world doesn't need more noise. It needs your voice.